Ektaa Kapoor to release Naagin 7's trailer on Kyunki Season 2 premiere date. The excitement around the fantasy drama Naagin 7 is reaching fever pitch. Ever since Ektaa Kapoor teased its arrival back in February after a long 18-month hiatus, fans have been eagerly waiting to know about new updates on the popular supernatural franchise. Now, rumors are rife that the Queen of Indian television, Ektaa Kapoor, is reportedly planning to treat fans to a double dose of nostalgia and fantasy. Reports suggest that the producer will unveil the much-awaited trailer of Naagin 7 on July 29, the same day that marks the return of the iconic daily soap Kyunki Saspi Kab Hai Bahuti with its second season. According to a report in Pink Villa, Ektaa Kapoor has chosen the specific day, as it also coincides with the auspicious festival of Nag Panchami. While details about the storyline remain tightly under wraps, the trailer launch is expected to offer fans a first glimpse and possibly reveal the leading lady of the season. However, an official confirmation from the makers is still awaited. Kyunki Saspi Kab Hai Bahuti 2 is all set to take fans down memory lane. The original series, which first aired in July 2000, revolutionized Indian television and enjoyed a successful 8-year run. The new season brings back the original cast, including Smriti Irani, Amar Upadhyay, Shakti Anand, Gauri Pradhan, Hitan Tejvani, and Ketki Dave, while also introducing fresh faces like Rohit Sachantai, Aman Gandhi, and Jagun Sharma. Produced by Balaji Motion Pictures, Kyunki 2 is set to win your hearts again on July 29 at 10:30 p.m. on Star Plus and will also be available for streaming on Jio Hotstar. Touted as the most powerful Naagin yet, the upcoming season promises to raise the bar for the fantasy franchise. The first season of Naagin, which premiered in 2015, featured Mouni Roy and Arjun Bijlani in lead roles. Following this, the second season starred Mouni Roy, Ada Khan, and Karan Verbohra. The third season brought together Surbhi Jyoti, Pearl V. Puri, and Anita Hassanandani. The last season, starring Tejaswi Prakash, became one of the most successful and longest-running seasons of Naagin. With the Kyunki 2 premiere and the Naagin 7 trailer both scheduled for the same day, Ektaa Kapoor is all set to dominate television screens yet again. Get ready for an unforgettable evening, blending nostalgia with supernatural thrill. Stay updated with the latest TV news updates from daily serials to reality TV shows and your favorite small-screen celebrity news. Download the News 18 app now. Latest blogs.